Hey guys, I'm Paris, the options guy. Welcome back to my channel. So, a very normal day, not that exciting day in the market. For me personally, I took three trades in total, ending the day with 0.5% profits, which is good. Which is good profits. I'm just going to go through my trades first of all very quickly. So I took one trade when Nifty broke 16,560 in the morning and held it till 16,520. So that was the first trade, and I got very good gain in that trade because everybody was just shorting call options. So I kind of got the early, the early entry advantage. Second trade that I took was in Bank Nifty when Bank Nifty broke 36,400. When Bank Nifty came below 36,400 in this candle, I took the trade, but I forgot to check the futures volume, which weren't that great. I mean, not they weren't as good as I wanted them to be. So I was like, okay, I have a little bit of profit. I'm just gonna exit with whatever I have, and it's a good thing that I did because Bank Nifty just reversed from there. And the third trade again that I took was in Nifty. When Nifty broke 16,490 in the end, I took that trade. But the thing was that 3 p.m. was arriving, and what happens at 3 p.m. is that a lot of times, and Nifty starts reversing at 3 p.m., right? So we've been already going down so much throughout the day. So I was fearing that okay, Nifty might just go up again. So I just exited when 16,500 was it. I kind of got a little bit of loss, but no worries. I'm still ending the day with 0.5% profits. So what can we expect for tomorrow? Where are we expecting the markets to go? Are we just because see, we've already started the gap filling today. Okay, below 16,480, we would have started the gap filling, and we went below that today. We went till 16,460. So are we gonna go down again? So the thing is, see, if we open with a gap down, definitely we are gonna go till 16,360, right? But after 16,360, what could happen is that we reverse from here. So something like I'm gonna give you an example. So say we open somewhere near 16,400, right? That's a big gap down. So what could happen is we go down till here and then we again start reversing, right? So keep an eye out for that. If we open flat somehow near 16,470 for these levels, you guys can easily take a short position in Nifty, either buy a call or sell a either sell a call and buy a put, and you guys can easily take the target of 16,360. Keep your SL at max 16,480 or the high of this candle, which is 486. So just keep your stop loss at 16,490, not above that. But if say we open flat and the movement is too quick, say we go till 16,440 already in the first 10 seconds, so just leave the trade. There will be so many opportunities in the market, but please do not take late entries in the trades. That I used to take late entries and I have suffered a lot of losses. So just try not to take late entries in the trade. If you get some sort of pullback till again 16,470, then you can take an entry, but do not take a late entry near 16,440, 450. Just let the trade go. There will be so many trades um, in the coming time. Now I'm gonna tell you one thing is that see, sellers now they always go for continuous momentum, right? But if you see, we at every support there is a buying momentum happening. There was a support of 16,560, the swing there buying momentum happened. Today 16,500 buying momentum happened. So that means that the sellers are still not convinced somehow that the market will go down, right? So just keep an eye out for these swings. As soon as we cross a swing, there is going to be a very good buying momentum in the market. So keep an eye out for these swings of 16,580 right now. So what could happen is that say if you open with a gap up, somewhere near say 16,550 whatever, if we cross the swing of 16,570, you guys can initiate a trade till 16,640, which is today's high. That should be a first target. However, I would recommend you guys to hold it till 16,680 because the buying momentum is going to be very strong. So what you guys can do is that you initiate a trade over here and see how the price action is happening. Is the selling momentum very strong? Is the selling momentum not that strong? If the selling momentum you don't feel like is very strong, so just hold the trade till 16,680, because once we go above this, the buyers will take control again, and then there could be a very good upside momentum, something like this over here if you see. So that's for the upside. And also, as I said, downside flat also. Now, what Bank Nifty? What can we see? Bank Nifty is way more interesting than Nifty. Again, same story. These swings are not. These swings are going to be the defense points. These are going to be the points which can give control to the either side of the market, either bears or bulls. So if we go above 36,580, be it with a gap up, so say we open with a gap up somewhere near 36,500, right? 500, 550. Once we go about 36,580, you guys can easily take the target of 36,800. Very easy target. There's going to be a very good buying momentum coming on the upside. On the downside, say if you open flat somewhere over here only, and say if you open flat and cross this, your first target should be 36,200. This 36,200 to 250 levels. I would recommend you guys to just exit at 250. You will get a very good 100 points momentum, which is going to give you very good profits, right? So 36,200, 250 should be your first target if we open flat, right? But say the momentum is too fast, so just leave the trade. We'll get a lot of trades in the coming time. Um, I'm sorry, my bad. If you open with a gap down, what can you do? Say if you open with a gap down, wait for 36,000 to get broken. Okay, do not do not take do not go in too early. Wait for 36,000 to be broken. Wait for 36,200 to be broken. Say we open with a gap down, but about 36,200. Once we cross 36,200 and stay below it, sustain below it, you guys can initiate a trade till 36,000. That could be your first trade. Say if you open with a gap down below 36,200, wait for 36,000 to be broken, because 36,000 we might see a reversal near 36,000 in Bank Nifty. So wait for 36,000 to be broken and sustained below, because what could happen, something like this: we go below 36,000, we make a wick, but then there is good buying coming in again, right? So wait for your time, see how Bank Nifty is reacting, and wait for 36,000 to be broken. If you open below 36,200, once 36,000 broken, your first target can easily be 35,880 levels. It's a good 100 points move, 110 points move that you can get. So yeah, guys, this was my analysis for tomorrow. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you for watching till the end.